Herring is one of the most underestimated foods on the planet. It is small, it is common, it is affordable, and because of that, many people overlook it. That is a mistake. Herring is not weak food. It is strategic food. For centuries, entire civilizations survived and thrived on herring. Before refrigeration, before supplements, before nutrition labels, herring fed nations. Herring is a small, oily saltwater fish found primarily in the North Atlantic and North Pacific Oceans. It travels in massive schools. It reproduces efficiently. This abundance made it a reliable food source throughout history. Reliability builds trust. Trust builds tradition. Nutritionally, herring belongs to the category of oily fish. This is where its real power begins. Herring is rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These fats are not optional. They are essential. The human body cannot produce them. They must come from food. Omega-3s support heart health. They reduce inflammation. They support brain function. They contribute to eye health. They influence mood regulation. Herring delivers these fats naturally. No processing, no enrichment, just biology. In terms of protein, herring delivers high-quality complete protein. This protein contains all essential amino acids. It supports muscle repair. It supports immune function. It supports metabolic health. Despite being oily, herring is not calorie-heavy. Its fat content is functional, not excessive. This balance makes herring extremely efficient. High nutrition per bite. That is real food economics. Herring is also packed with vitamins. Vitamin D is one of its strongest contributions. Vitamin D supports bone health, immune response, and hormone regulation. Many people are deficient. Herring helps close that gap. Vitamin B12 is abundant. This vitamin is essential for nerve health and red blood cell production. Deficiency leads to fatigue and neurological issues. Herring delivers it in bioavailable form. Vitamin A supports vision and immune health. Vitamin E contributes antioxidant protection. Minerals matter too. Herring contains selenium, which protects cells from oxidative stress. It provides iodine, essential for thyroid function. Phosphorus supports bone structure and cellular energy. Calcium appears when herring is eaten with bones, such as in canned forms. This makes herring particularly valuable in whole food diets. Taste is another surprise. Herring has a distinct but not aggressive flavor. It is stronger than whitefish. It is milder than many large oily fish. The taste is often described as rich, savory, and slightly briny. Texture is soft and tender. The flesh flakes easily. Because of its fat content, herring stays moist during cooking. This makes it forgiving. It does not dry out easily. That is a major advantage. Herring can be prepared in many ways. Fresh herring can be grilled, baked, pan-fried, or smoked. Pickled herring is famous in northern and eastern European cuisines. Smoked herring adds depth and preservation. Canned herring offers convenience without major nutrient loss. This versatility keeps herring relevant. From a health perspective, herring punches far above its size. Omega-3 intake from herring is linked to reduced risk of cardiovascular disease. It supports lower triglyceride levels. It helps regulate blood pressure. It supports arterial health. Regular consumption is associated with improved cognitive function. For aging populations, this matters. For growing brains, it matters even more. Herring also plays a role in inflammation control. Chronic inflammation is linked to many modern diseases. Omega-3s help modulate inflammatory pathways. This is not magic. It is chemistry. Herring also supports metabolic health. Protein increases satiety. Fat slows digestion. This combination helps regulate appetite. Herring keeps you full, not bloated, satisfied. Because herring is low on the food chain, it accumulates fewer toxins. This is critical. Large predatory fish accumulate mercury and other contaminants. Herring, being small and short-lived, generally contains lower levels. This makes it safer for regular consumption. This is one of the strongest arguments in its favor. Sustainability matters. Herring populations, when managed properly, are among the most sustainable fisheries. Their reproduction rate supports large-scale harvesting. This makes herring a responsible seafood choice. Compared to overfished species, herring offers abundance without collapse. Culturally, herring is everywhere. In Scandinavia, it is tradition. In Eastern Europe, it is celebration. In coastal communities, it is daily food. In wartime history, herring prevented starvation. This is not romanticism. It is fact. Herring shaped economies. Entire trade routes existed because of herring. Salted herring fueled exploration. It fed sailors. It fed cities. Modern food culture often chases novelty. Exotic cuts. Rare species. Herring is the opposite. It is humble, and humility hides strength. In modern diets, herring fits perfectly. Keto diets appreciate its fat. High-protein diets value its amino acids. Mediterranean diets respect its omega-3s. Traditional diets rely on its accessibility. Athletes benefit from recovery support. Office workers benefit from brain support. Elderly populations benefit from bone and cognitive support. Few foods are this universal. Preparation matters. Fresh herring should be handled gently. Its fat content makes it sensitive to oxidation. Proper storage preserves quality. Pickling and smoking are not just flavor choices. They are preservation technologies. They allowed herring to travel through time. Modern refrigeration made things easier, but tradition remains. Herring teaches an important lesson. Nutrition does not need luxury. It needs consistency. It needs balance. It needs availability. Herring delivers all three. In a world chasing superfoods, herring already is one. It just never needed marketing. So what is the final verdict? Herring is a small oily fish with massive nutritional value. It provides omega-3 fatty acids, complete protein, essential vitamins, and key minerals. It supports heart health, brain function, and metabolic balance. It is affordable, sustainable, and versatile. It has fed civilizations. It still feeds smart people today.